Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the stock market, the financial markets. And today I talk about Embracer, so a stock I'm personally invested in, my friend. So I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a YouTuber, a retail investor, obviously myself. So please make up your own mind and don't buy anything I'm talking about on my channel, better said. So guys, this is the Embracer Group stock chart in Swedish crowns. So you see, I put some very interesting lines in it, and yeah, what shall I say, guys? It's just going down today again, 6.87% down. So 6.87% down. And I mean, I don't want to give you any predictions, but since we were actually falling through this support line, which if you look here, when it started in 2017, so we were kind of nicely going up on this support line, and then we dropped through it. Since then, Embracer is dropping like a stone, and I think, my friends, so it's very much possible that we get to the 38 or 40 Swedish crown. So is it going to happen, guys? Obviously I can't tell you, but also in comparison to 2020, when the pandemic started, so it would make sense that we go back to the point when the pandemic started. If you look at different companies like in the Nasdaq, in the US tech companies, for example, if we look here at the Netflix, if I really look at Netflix, and you see we were falling kind of to even under the 2020 lows. Or if we look at Tesla, maybe that's the only exception. You can see here $22, so we obviously still above this, and also Apple is an exception. So that's that, but it's very important, guys. Hoppala, hoppari, hopparu. So there. Obviously, CD Projekt also here. CD Projekt, you see, has also going down massively, but came back a little bit. So that's Embracer Group. Let's go on Google Finance. There we see also some more information for it. So I don't see any very specific news, except the news 2 days ago here on Bloomberg that Embracer Group is shutting down the Montreal video game studio. So you have probably have seen this news. So that's I would say not something so special. We can also go on Kotaku, probably see something here as well. So where is it? Kotaku. No, nothing here directly. So probably Kotaku didn't got the memo. So, but overall, yeah, if we look now here at the income statement in June, well, we all knew this was not so really good, and also Embracer was buying a lot of new companies. So also here in August, so, but this is now already 2 months ago, my friend. So, and there we see there we had a growth, but we had a pro forma minus growth, so adjusted EBITDA also growth, but what is always important, the organic growth. So actually we were organically not growing, but they were growing a lot by getting new companies in. So that's the idea behind Embracer since a long time. And yeah, and the Saints Row title actually was not that successful, so this could have an impact why the stock was falling today. But on the other hand, this is now already quite some time ago that the stock has been so successful. So I can only recommend you to read through this presentation a little bit. I was already making other videos, of course, also with those presentations, not with this one, I think, from August, but definitely you'll find some very interesting data here. So overall, what is important for us to know for Embracer? I would say, my friends, for Embracer, it's important to know that it's like a holding for game developers. So they continue to purchase game developers. They continue to create this really big Swedish a gaming headquarter, and they're also getting of course a lot of funds from the outside and to do this. So that's what I like in Embracer. That's why I'm kind of invested in Embracer, because I own a lot of other small game developers, small gaming companies, even if not all of the games are always that good, like the last Saints Row wasn't that good, but on the other hand, then you have better titles. Again, if I'm scrolling down now here, we going, yeah, for example, also Embracer is bringing M&A updates. They're bringing some of those great Square Enix games with Tomb Raider, even if they're shutting down one of the smaller Square Enix game studios. But you see, there is so much potential. There's really so much potential in great games, my friend. So that's the reason why I'm looking forward to. Not because of a game like Goat Simulator 3. I don't really think that's going to be so successful. But games like Borderlands or Deep Rock Galaxy, Hot Wheels, Metro series, Risk of Rain, Valheim was a success, of course. Those are the games that I think that are leading the way forward, and they have a lot of other projects in the pipeline, also AAA projects. Here they said 25 AAA projects they have in the pipeline in August, they said, and then they have 222 projects where 167 projects are not even announced yet. So a lot of new games are coming. That island, definitely, that's going to be a big one. So a lot of new games are coming. So overall, I think we can get through this market situation at the moment. Of course, the chart here, as always, my friend. So let's go on maximum. The chart, yeah, it looks it looks like the bubble popped. The bubble popped in mid 2021, and we're going down again. So, but it's not different to now to a Facebook, a Meta, to a PayPal. All of those stocks look like this guy. So, I mean, there's really Embracer's not that big a difference. So, and it's also for me personally a little diversification, where I also can buy a Swedish stock that's in Swedish krone. So I have another currency. Of course, the currency risk also exists, but for me that's also very interesting. So, and I like stocks, of course, from gaming companies. All right, so already talked enough without saying a lot probably today about Embracer Group. I just like the stock. So, and of course, please guys, so I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a retail investor, a video gamer, a YouTuber, and obviously I'm buying stocks because I like the game. So therefore, make up your own mind, my friend. So, and with that, I'm leaving you here, and see you the next time. Check out my other videos about other gaming companies. So that's what I do on this channel. I'm talking about gaming companies. So thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.